Birth registration can be done online provided that you have access to internet, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone or PC. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to carry out birth registration for your child without any stress. Everything can be done right here online and get your children birth certificate in Nigeria without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you create a free account with. Have you opened up your browser? Go ahead and click on search Google right here. Then go ahead and type in national population .gov.ng. Hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you create a free account. So for that, click on this three slider. Then here you go. So at this point here, you want to make sure you choose your self-service about. Go ahead and click on services right here. Then here you go. Then at this point here, you can choose any of the service right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to ask for certificate reprint. That is date of birth certificate reprint. Then you'll be taken here whereby you will have to log in. So the first thing you need to do is to create a free account. Click on sign up. Fill up your data right here. Your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password, confirm your password. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on, by signing up, you agree to our privacy information requirement. Click on here to review the privacy information. Then all you have to do is to scroll down right here. Just make sure you click on here. And then make sure you review. Then go back. Make sure you review everything. I have read this document. Click on it. Then make sure you click on this second one right here. Scroll down right here. I have read this document. Boom. So just make sure you click on NPC behind data protection. Click on that. So I have read all these. Then that's third. The fourth one I have read. The fifth one I have read. The sixth one I have read. And then you are done just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on I have read the document and these, just like so, and it's going to take you back right here. Scroll down now and then go ahead and click on sign up right here. Verify your email address. Then here you go. So this is the OTP right here. Then go ahead and get the OTP. So this is the OTP right here. I'll copy the OTP. Then come back to the registration page and then fill up the OTP. Then click on continue. Account create successful. Then go ahead and sign in right here. Link NIN to your profile. Please link your NIN to have your existing registration linked to your account. All you have to do right there is to go ahead and click on proceed. Then go ahead and enter your NIN number right here. Then go ahead and click on validate. NI validate successful. So after a successful login, next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on this three slider from here. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and then make sure you locate BAT registration. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Now you are here. For new BAT registration, this is what required. BAT registration for children under the age of 5 years are free at every National Population Commission Registration Center. You will be charged 5,000 naira for the service. Then you can read the details right here. Then go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on proceed. Then it will redirect you to where you will need to make this payment right here. It's a one-time payment. Once you make payment, then you are done. You can start to register your children birth certificate, and you will get the certificate right here in your profile. Once your certificate is available, just download the certificate and you are done. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.